What's up guys, it's Austin here. So today I am reviewing my 10-inch Thanos Funko Pop. So we're just quickly going to take a look at the box and then we'll take them right out. So you can see it's an EB exclusive here. Really big box. The marketing and branding of the colors and everything I think looks awesome. All the characters on the back I have reviews for on the channel. So you can see all those guys. I have every single one on this channel at this moment. But anyways, here's the side. It says Thanos. It looks really cool. And there's the top. You get a little bit of a glimpse of his head. There's the dog. And yeah, then I'm gonna basically tip it over. There's the bottom. So I actually paid $35.99 for it, and let's take him out. Here he is out of the box, guys. So he is massive. Like, this guy's head is huge. Once again, it is a bobblehead because it's from Marvel. But anyways, guys, you can see that evil grin. You got the eyes angled down. You got the forehead or eyebrow muscles all flared down. He looks super evil and menacing. Love this pop. And then you got the chin with all the texture and everything. The paint is perfect. You got the little ear with those little stripes or scratches going through it. Back of the head just straight up bald. Then if we go to the body here, pretty basic stuff. You know, you just got a gold plate for like a chest plate, navy blue kind of like shirt, and then you got the gold little belt here, gold plated knee pads, brown boots and everything. It's just very nice, all the textures they put on it. They didn't just go like a smooth boot or anything. Lots of texture in the pants and shirts. You can see where it's like what's it called, like riveting, and yeah, it's just lots of detail on here that they didn't have to do. And then you can see there's like damage on the actual kneecap brace itself. You can see the skin has these little textures in it around the shoulders. I think it's on the other one too. Yep. And then the Infinity Gauntlet. Wow. The way that they designed it looks super good. It looks just like the actual Infinity Gauntlet from the movie. All the little textures in there. They could have easily just went with just a gold glove with the stones, but they actually chose to do all these little textures, which is awesome. The paint app for the gems themselves, very good. And yeah, just the overall sculpt of the actual glove is just awesome. And then I'll show you the back as well. So lots of texture detail in the body suits as well. And there's the back of the boots. So really cool pop. Once again, this is a 10-inch one. I actually have the regular one as well. So I believe this one is like about 4 inches, 3.5, something like that. I don't know what happened, but he has this little like brown coffee dot or something on him, but it's literally the exact same figure. Like, you can see everything is the exact same. The gauntlet is really good on this one as well. And then this is just the steroid version of Thanos. You can see that's the size difference there. Way bigger, at least 2 times the size. Super awesome pop. I actually have the endgame version, which is the armored one, which is up there with my Infinity Gauntlet. But for now, I'm just reviewing this guy because I've had him for a little while and I haven't posted the actual review. So yeah, here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a comment down below if you own it. Also, leave a comment down below of what your favorite 10-inch pop is, because mine is the Armored Thanos that I just showed you. Super awesome pop. I found it last week. But anyways, guys, that is it for this unboxing and review of the Infinity War 10-inch Thanos pop. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.